Extend the functionality of your SAP Concur solutions to meet the specific needs of your organization or business with SAP Concur Solution Extensions. With SAP Concur Solution Extensions, you can optimize spend, improve compliance, and enhance employee experience, making your organization's spend management more efficient and accurate. Imagine the power of artificial intelligence and machine learning to automatically analyze expense reports, detect suspicious activity, and improve compliance. Concur Detect by Oversight looks for trends, uncovers suspicious activity before payment, identifies risk, improves compliance, and helps identify where employees require additional training. Employee benefits can often be hidden in expense reports, leading to tax complications. Simplify the process with Concur Benefits Assurance by Blue Dot. This AI-powered solution identifies, calculates, tracks, and manages taxable employee benefits accurately and efficiently, ensuring compliance with tax regulations. Centralize all aspects of meeting and event planning and management. Concur Event Management by GroupEyes automates processes, ensuring efficient spend governance, travel policy compliance, and duty of care. Concur Event Management also includes an attendee event app and event website templates. Navigate complex tax regulations accurately with the power of AI built in to Concur Tax Assurance by Blue Dot. This comprehensive solution reviews each transaction individually, automates the tax reclaim process, simplifies data validation, and ensures compliance with country-specific tax regulations. The solution combines dynamic data completion and enhances compliance and recovery of expense-related tax. Avoid penalties, fines, and reclaim eligible tax funds with Concur Tax Assurance. Concur User Assistant by WalkMe provides customizable step-by-step instruction to helping users comply with travel and expense policies, improving user outcomes without requiring modifications to your T&E software infrastructure or burdening IT resources. Administrators can identify areas where users need assistance and generate customized user guides and task lists tailored to individual users. Contact us today to learn how SAP Concur Solution Extensions can benefit your teams.